ladies and gentlemen, this is your dude Light Liger here, and today we're going to be looking into this Ethereum dApp called Zerion, which is basically, let's say, a portfolio manager of sorts for Ethereum. And in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at this portfolio and why exactly you should be using it. So first of all, it does have a lot of integrations on it, such as yield farming, compounding, and things like this. And basically, you log in with your MetaMask or any other supported wallet. It also comes in Google Play and also in Apple App Store. And here are the login options for this application. I think there are a lot of good DeFi apps which are going to be making a lot of things a lot easier for you. So we're going to be jumping already into the actual dashboard. And here I have already uploaded one of my Ethereum wallets in here. And it will give me a kind of good understanding of my portfolio value here. And yeah, and the question is, well, I can see this already on my wallet. Well, the good thing about this wallet is that I can add another wallet here. We're going to be doing that through MetaMask. And this has been already added, but we're going to be adding another wallet. We're going to be changing that into this one, and we're going to be connecting, and we're going to be refreshing this page again. And when we're going to be using MetaMask here, connect, confirm, and now I have two wallets in a one portfolio. It's now adding everything there, so I have like a bit better look at my total portfolio size. And I do have like around, I have 3 main Ethereum wallets plus some other stuff. So now I have a lot more better idea what's basically going on here on my portfolio, like what is my actual funds being in right now. And there is also apparently an option to deposit assets here. And you can basically just buy directly through this application new assets. By the way, you're not like giving any of your private keys to this application or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. And here you can already see like all of my assets, which are basically showing here in the prices. Not all of them have prices. Granted, these don't even have real prices, so that's fine with me. And now we can also look at history, so I can see basically what has happened on my what applications they have been used on, what assets have been traded here and there, how much minus is here. Not all wallets have a really good breakdown. So here I have my Exodus and Atomic wallet, and Exodus, especially Atomic wallet, has a really bad history chart. So now I can track everything a lot more better here and see what's going on basically. When does the trades have happened in real time, and what contracts have failed. Everything is like basically registered here, which is very, very clean and good. So I like this, because one of the things with a lot of like Blockfolio and Delta app, you have to add manually usually the transactions. I don't want to do that. And then there's an Invest app which comes out with a lot of tokens here, liquidity pools, yield farming, layer 2 solutions. Then there's some Coinbase review. I don't know what that is. Top tokens, top sets. A lot of things can be accessed from a one platform here. There's also a market tab which goes into the, well, what is the tokens? This is only for Ethereum tokens, so you can see the actual positions for them without all the other assets, which is kind of cool. There's also a savings tab which goes into, I think this is linked into compound interest, what I have earned so far. And here I can also deposit if I so desire and earn some interest, but compound doesn't really have the best rates, so I don't need to do that. There's also an exchange tab. I think this is working through OX protocol, so I also can swap here really easily if I want to change my Ethereum into DAI. How much I would be getting and what would be basically the exchange rate for that. So that's kind of cool. Then there's pools, which has been added here, and this is for Uniswap and Curve apparently, and Balancer is included here too, which is nice. So and probably going to be a lot more in the future, and that's good. So it's kind of like a one-stop access for all of these things in a one thing. There's also a way to borrow from here, but that is working once again through Compound. I hope they're going to be adding new things in the future. A lot of the things I would probably like to see, let's go to settings, is a dark mode on the website. So that's not available as of right now. At least I was not able to find it on anywhere. Here you can also use a QR code here, buy crypto. You can also send them directly from this wallet. If you don't like the MetaMask interface, for instance, because MetaMask doesn't always show you the right numbers. And they do have a roadmap here as well, where you can kind of see what they are planning to do, what are in progress, and what have been added so far. But that's my quick rundown on Zerion.io. It can be useful for some people. Obviously, I would love to add some of my other DeFi accounts, let's say on Neos or Tron. So that would make it much more better for me, but I guess they're catering really to the Ethereum audience. That's pretty much my review. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider sharing it, liking, leaving a comment, or even leaving a tip to me. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers.